Okay, you guys, I just got out of work. Friday, January 28th. I'm wearing the mask because I had dental surgery done. Implants top and bottom. I gotta wait for them to heal now. I had a hot water tank. We tried to light it, and every time we tried to light it, the pilot went out immediately. And it had a thermocouple. So in most situations, it actually is a thermocouple that went bad. And it was probably 4:20. We get off at 5. I decided to pull the gas tray out, disconnect the gas line to the gas valve for the tray, disconnect the pilot line that goes to the pilot from the gas valve, and disconnect the thermocouple. We got it to the shop. It had a weird connector that went together like this and had 2 slots in it. I hope I illustrate that in the video adequately. Which was nice. It came out and I was able to put it in. A little tricky getting it in, but I got it in. And most of them are usually a grommet, and they're fire retardant. And I tend to have to cut a slot in them so I can get the thermocouple in and out. And usually I have to cut the old thermocouple out just to get it out. 1 or 2 cuts, which is pretty much what I had to do this time. To make a long story short, put everything back in, piled it up, stayed on, opened the gas valve, gas tray went on, nice blue flame, excuse me. So we were very happy, and that was 5 minutes to 5. Alright, so you get an idea. We were on the rush. We were not trying to install a new hot water tank if we didn't have to. So I'll illustrate that the best I can in the shop. Okay, you don't see me taking it out, putting it in, but you see me changing the thermocouple, alright? Hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys next one. Bye. Okay, you guys, I'm changing a thermocouple here. I had to take off a screw over here to get this plate off, hopefully, so I can gain access to this thing, one way or the other. There's the access right there. There's the pilot right there. There we go. We got access to it now. And we got a fit in here that's going to be a little bit annoying to probably get out. These things don't always work so easy, even when we want them to. Sometimes it can be rather difficult. But hopefully this one comes out easy enough. Okay. Well, it's going out the other way, so as long as it's coming out, who cares, right? It's out.
It's out.
Alright. Now we got to get the new one in and finagle everything back. So we could probably still use the same clip. So that's what we're looking to get lucky. Use the same clip here. Okay, so it's pretty long. So I might have to, there we go. Pretty long. Come on. Just definitely give me a hard time. Looks like we might have it now. Okay, we got it. That's where we want to keep it, and put everything back into shape where it was. So this got to go through there, excuse me. So we're gonna have to go a little bit gentle over here. Looks like we got it. We are good with that. Push that back in all the way. Get the screw back in place here. Where did my screw go? Hopefully we didn't knock it on the floor. There it is. The only reason I believe it's a thermocouple is because the pilot went out immediately. There seems to be some ridges in here that helps hold this in place. So all that is nice. Okay, we got everything back in place here on this side so far. Now we got to get this going through here, which goes on the control valve, the main gas valve itself. So, do that in a second. That looks pretty good, kind of like the way it was. And over here we have 2 blocks, if I can find them. They should be right in front of me somewhere. I moved them. Let's see what I did with them. There's one on the floor. Here's the other one. We got these 2 blocks, and they got a spacer for the thermocouple and the wire. So since the thermocouple is on top, and they fit in this way, we can put this here and put the wire on the bottom. Put that in there like that. Thermocouple on top. There, I believe. Same thing here like this. You should be able to slide everything back in place. Nice and easy, hopefully. Okay. Right there. Oh, come on, you. Just happen to be hungry, and it doesn't help when you're hungry. It'll come to me. There you go. There you go. Bottom piece there, yes. Okay. It's gonna be a little bit tricky, but I think we're gonna get it. Looks like, yep, we got it. Yep, you guys can see that. We got that in place, alright? Lucky this one is like this. And this is sticking out properly. I'm satisfied with that. So let's go back, hook everything up. Got the igniter, pilot light, main gas for the tray, and the thermocouple. So it's 4 connections. Hey, that's the tank right there. We put the gas tray back in. And you can't see that good, so sorry, I can't show you. But the pilot just stayed lit. It definitely was a thermocouple. And we're good to go. Alright.